In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart N8n. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's dive right in and get your system up and running smoothly again. To begin, you'll need to open your web browser. Any browser you prefer will work just fine. Once it's open, navigate over to the official N8n website. This is where you'll log into your account and manage your workspace. If this is your first time logging in, or if you haven't done so in a while, make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you've forgotten them, most websites, including N8n, will have a quick way to retrieve or reset them. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of N8n. From here, you'll want to locate the admin panel. This section is key to managing different aspects of your N8n environment, and it's where you'll be doing most of the work today. In the admin panel, look for a section labeled Dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your current workspace and allows you to access several management features. Next to this dashboard, you'll see an option called Manage. Go ahead and click on it. You'll probably notice right away that there are quite a few options and sections you can explore. However, don't get overwhelmed. We're focusing on one simple task today. As you scroll down the management section, keep an eye out for an option titled Restart Workspace. This option is essential if you find that your workspace is unresponsive, sluggish, or not behaving as expected. Clicking on Restart Workspace will trigger a restart of the system, which often resolves minor glitches and issues. It's worth noting that a restart can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. While waiting, it might be a good opportunity to consider any recent changes you've made or issues you've encountered to better diagnose any future problems. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully restarted your N8n workspace. Remember, if your workspace frequently becomes unresponsive, it might be worthwhile to delve deeper into what could be causing these issues. Regular maintenance and updates can often prevent recurring problems. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now able to navigate your N8n management tasks more confidently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tutorials.